Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you about the strings, integers, floats and booleans in Python. These four are basic data types in every programming language. Let's first talk about the strings. Strings are sequence of characters. For example, your name. Your name is a string because your name consists of a few characters. Address. Your address is also a string. Now over here I can say name equal to, and you can store your strings in single or in double quotes. So I'm gonna use double quotes and I'm gonna say Babar Azam. And you have no need to specify data type as we do in C++, and you have no need to put any semicolon at the end. So now this is string data type. Integer data type allows us to store numbers in a variable. Now over here I'm gonna say my number equal to, and let's say 2030. Now this number is integer data type and you have no need to specify data type. Just define your variable and store your value. Now we can perform all the operations on this number. Float data type allows us to store numbers with decimal point in a variable. Let's add 0.50 with this number. Now this is float data type. And now we can perform all the operations on this number. Boolean data type takes value in true or in false. 1 is considered to be true because 1 is not 0, and 0 is considered to be false. Now we can say condition equal to, and I'm gonna say true. So now this is Boolean data type. And if I write some characters with this true, over here you can see we get this red underline because we can only store true or false in Boolean data type. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.